Hi, this is Daniel with Pre-Owned Motor Cars. Just wanted to show you another new arrival here. This is our 2019 Acura Rdx. This one features keyless entry for easy and convenient entry of the vehicle. You don't necessarily have to pull out your key fob anymore. You just hit that indent here right on the door handle. It should pop open for you. This one features leather on the door here. You also get the ELS Studio system, which sounds great. And it's actually a 3D audio system. It uses special software. Interior's in really good shape. Dual power seats, more leather in the back, plenty of room for rear passengers too. They get their own charging ports as well and rear AC vents. Front and rear parking sensors. You do get these WeatherTech mats, and I just wanted to show you the storage space. And then these seats can come down too, and they knock pretty much completely flat, and you have these handles that you can use, and that's what it looks like with storage down. You have another one here on the other side too. And a power lift gate, of course. You can get a reverse camera as well. You have heads-up display as well, which comes right out of this area, reflects right onto the windshield. That'll tell you your speeds, a couple other information too. It's customizable. And then what I like about this car, you actually get real wood inlays, and that's kind of throughout the cabin here. On top of that, you get a nice big infotainment screen. Here's all your AC controls, shifter, and you have some more storage down here too below your shifter. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about this one, give us a call at 808-334-1111 and you can ask for Daniel, or you can stop by anytime. We're open from Monday through Saturday, just closed on Sundays. So stop by to check out this one.